Hi, how's it actually going? This might be a video in itself, or it might be a second part to a video. My first time riding at night with the camera. Never done it with the camera. The settings are probably going to be trash, which is okay, you know. You live and you learn. Look, that's my friend up there. I know him. He works with me. He works with me, yes sir. The sky looks pretty fucking legit, dude. I just really like the sky. The sky often looks cool. Oh, yes, sir. You know what? I'm starting to hate my job less, which I never thought I would fucking say. But to be honest with you, the last couple of days have been actually completely fine. And, you know, today was quite a long shift. It was, how long is it? 9-hour shift? Tomorrow I have a 9.5-hour shift. Oh, yay. So that's exciting. But you know what? It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I can deal with it. And you know what? I think I'm making life progress, to be honest. I think I'm making life progress because I actually, you know what? I'll save it until I'm riding again so you don't fucking lose concentration. Yes, sir! So yeah, I'm making life progress today because I want to do a project management course. Don't know if I mentioned that one before. If I did, I do apologize. I'm repeating myself. But I want to do a project management course. I currently work 40 hours a week. So I don't really have much time to include project management and managing depression. I mean, those both I can't manage depression and do the course at the same time. You know what I'm saying? It's just not going to work. So I need to work less hours. So I asked the guy, I just straight up asked him. Usually I'm out here deceiving and I'm out here lying. I asked my kind of manager, slightly above manager, and he basically said that we do have flexi working available, and that it's I just have to wait for my manager to get back because she is on holiday or something. Oh my gosh, we need to go over here. Yes sir. Yeah, she's on holiday right now, so I can't. Why are you braking? So I can't speak to her at the moment, which is a bit of a shame. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to catapult myself right the way around here. Yes sir. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, it's 60. It's 60 miles an hour around here. So they do offer flexi working where I can work less hours, which is exactly what I fucking want, mate. That's exactly what I want. Which is amazing. I'm actually going to be able to work flexi. Well, maybe. I may not be able to. It depends how understaffed they are. Just hire more people. Let me work flexibly. If I do that, I can study at the same time. So yeah, I'm going to be doing flexi working, hopefully. I need to wait for my manager to get back. She gets back on Wednesday. And when she gets back, I'll ask her, and I will ask her and say, can I do flexi working, please? I'm actually begging you, mate. And it'll be so nice if I can, because guess what? I'll save money on fuel, which I'm going to need to save money on fuel because I'm going to be paying for this course, project management course. Right, we've got to start coming over now. We got to start coming. There we go. Just shimmy my shake into the lane. Oh, we're going to have to slow down more than I want to. That's okay. That's no problem. I'm curious how the nighttime footage is going to look. It could look shit and I don't use this, but if you're hearing this right now, and I'm not talking to editing me, alright, you little bitch, because you wouldn't probably have made it this far into the video if it would just look like shit before now. I obviously need to change some settings. I know it's possible to do nighttime riding. I know it's possible to record it, but maybe not like this, because a lot of the nighttime rides that I see are like all in cities, very well lit cities. So you get like the nighttime, but you have like the, you know, the bright aesthetics still cooking with, you know. Let me just speed up a little bit so I can hopefully make it through these lights. Okay, I need to shimmy my shake and get around these fools. There we go. Yes sir. I'm going back to Daddy's house, and who knows what's for dinner, not so sure. Usually Thursdays is like less good. Oh my god, this road, look at this road. Oh, it's gone. That was so nice. A deep black road is exactly my kind of road. A deep black road is the best kind of road, mate. All right, let's do a little bit of lane splitting. Oh, okay. Lane splitting is going to get cut short. and we just shimmy our shake way through. This is why you buy a motorbike, everybody. This is the reason. That, what I just did right then, you just slide through everybody. Woo! Just straight through. It's incredible, mate. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's going straight on, for fuck's sake, mate. No problem. Oh no, I would do that, but it's dangerous. And I'm trying to be a bit better with danger. I'm trying to do less of it, you know what I'm saying? And I would have gone on the inside, but he might have turned, like he's turning now. So I didn't want to risk it. I'm being more smart with my decisions in life, you know what I'm saying? Right the way around here. Right, gonna get over to the right side so that if anybody tries to fucking cut in, I don't get clobbered. And that's what happens when I use 100% of my brain. I make smart decisions. Right, and now you're about to witness a masterclass of filtering. And this is how you do it, man. This is why you buy a motorbike. I'm not even gonna have to do that much, to be honest with you. I just want to get through the green light. Are we gonna make it or are we not? I don't really know. I think that we're gonna make it, yo, bro. Oh, almost didn't. See, if I didn't split through those couple of cars, it may have seemed insignificant and they may have been thinking, what a little fucking loser. Barely doing anything for any progress. And now here I am. And here they are, stuck at a red light. In life, it's a metaphor. They're stuck in life and I am open in life. Way open. I need to move the mic. I feel like it's moving too far down. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't want it pointing too far down because then it's going to capture too much wind noise. Ooh, wind noise bad. So we don't want that to happen, basically. I'm high, I'm from outer space, I got milky with the blood evolution in my veins, yeah, I'm gone, I've been far away, I'm illuminated, now I'm making a move, far away, I've been dreaming of a fire for a long time, they wanna cosign, I don't sink or swim, I just float, I don't need gravity, I just need growth, oh. When I move, it's an earthquake rumble. I will never move, ever stumble. What's the fuel cost looking at? 129.9. Same as before. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. This thing accelerates fast, but it just loses everything after 6,000 RPM, or 7,000 RPM, sorry. It loses everything because it's A2 restricted. Boo-hoo for me, it's A2 fucking restricted. So basically all the power, it makes 48 horsepower restricted, 80 horsepower de-restricted. So that like 30 horsepower is locked away behind a paywall, and that paywall can only be opened when I'm 21 and I get a new license. Then I can pay for it to be de-restricted, and then I'll be able to rev it up to like 9,000-10,000 and actually feel something other than diminishing returns, because you know there's no point bringing it above 6,000-7,000 RPM because it just simply does not make any more power, except for the noise. Oh, the noise is the reason you do it. The noise is the reason. But when you don't feel yourself surging, you can hear it getting louder and meaner and badder, but then it just doesn't give you the power. Anyway, I don't know if this was its own video, I don't know if this was connected to another video, but I love you so much. Kisses and hugs. Like and subscribe, or don't really give us too much of a fuck. Yeah, bye bye.